Hi Dr. Sandeep, my relative has breast cancer and has been suggested surgery. Could you please explain breast conserving surgery versus mastectomy in treating breast cancer?
It's a very common question that I come across in my practice because many patients who have been offered breast conservation surgery or lumpectomy versus a mastectomy, they come running to me asking, is it safe to do a lumpectomy alone? Is it okay to do it? Because they have a fear that there is a another cancer may come in rest of the breast. But in science, we go by the evidence that is available to us. It's not my opinion or somebody else's opinion. It is always the evidence that speaks. So what is the evidence that we have? Just to study the effect or effectiveness of lumpectomy, there have been multiple research projects that have happened, and it has been going on for the past 30-40 years. So what are the results these trials have shown? They have clearly shown that whether you save breast or you remove the entire breast, the result or the long-term result is same. There is not much of a difference between the recurrence of breast cancer in either of these two groups. So that's very interesting to note. So your fear that if you save the breast and do only the lumpectomy, you will increase your breast cancer risk or recurrence risk. Recurrence means the cancer coming back. The risk of it is actually not at all true. In fact, it could be on the contrary, that it may be safer to save the breast, because in all cases of breast conservation, we have to give radiotherapy to consolidate the effect of the breast conservation. So when we give radiation to the breast, we may end up boosting the effectiveness of treatment and the results may be better. But this is not proven, but this particular aspect of it which I am talking about is not proven conclusively, but there are indications that it could be like that. So overall, or whenever you are given options, it is because you have the options. There are times when we say it is not possible to save breast in your case, but in those cases, of course, there are reasons why we say it is not possible. But in cases where we say it is possible scientifically, it is like giving you an option of going to your home by an auto rickshaw or by a bus or by metro. So these are the options which are available to you. On a direction in which that option doesn't exist, we cannot give you. So it is as simple as that. So if your doctor gives you these options scientifically, telling that okay, these are the reasons why I can offer you breast conservation, I think you should accept it if you want to save your breast.